Alright guys, so today I wanted to do a full unboxing and then I'll try on these new Kuzumor shoes that I just got in. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, but let's go ahead and take a look. Awesome. Check them out. Very nice. I actually have several pairs of this brand. Nothing but great things to say. Comfortable, stylish. Sometimes I'll wear these, whether like it could be to like a party or this could be like your Sunday church goings. Like they can rock both. I've even rocked them to like business conferences as well, and they just rock with everything. Not obviously not these, but very similar to these. This one's like a more like breathable, nice material on here. They do come in different colors, but that's what they look like right here. So let's go ahead and just try them on real quick and see how they look. All right, and here's how they look once you actually have them on. I did rock them with jeans for the sake of the video, but you can also wear them with slacks. I did want to point out I did get them true to size, so I do wear a 10 and a half, and that's what I got, and they just fit perfectly. I do want to say that the insoles are very comfortable. I would definitely not mind having to wear these like for an all-day event, whether, like I said, whether it's even indoors or outdoors. But if you're looking for some nice stylish shoes, then I would definitely look into these by Kuzumor. Highly recommend. I'm going to leave that link down below. Definitely a 10 out of 10.